welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today an amazing review for you all. This one is going to surprise everybody because you would think I am reviewing luggage. No. Think again. I am reviewing a treadmill. Can you even believe that this is a treadmill? It's compact. It looks like your luggage, right? You can carry it anywhere in the house and you can do your workout from the comfort of really any room in your home. So this new year, you have no excuses. At this point, I have reviewed so many things for you all to start your fitness journey and look incredible and feel good about yourself. So today, with the help of my friends at DearRun, I'm going to be reviewing this incredibly awesome, portable, foldable, luggage-style treadmill. Stick around till the end. This is really cool. I really hope you love it. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everybody, I am now going to show you how we go from luggage mode to treadmill mode. You're going to love it. It is super easy. So, of course, this down. However, you might want to, excuse me, put this up just so you can move it freely, okay? This thing doesn't weigh much at all. So you're gonna set it wherever you want in your home. I'm gonna go here and I'm going to fix the camera so you can see everything. Here we go. So your treadmill, you guys, because of the size, you can store this anywhere. You can store it. I actually have a really cool entertainment center that it will fit under, which is great. I have reviewed treadmills in the past that you could store under a bed, but they wouldn't fold, right? So you would need that space. With this one, you can even store it standing. You can store it anywhere. It's really cool. Okay, so this is like your locking latch. You just pull it open. And then this is where you would pull to open the treadmill. So here we go. See this? Ta-da! How simple was that? How simple. It is incredible that they make these incredible things these days. Also, this is what I would consider a walking pad style treadmill because it doesn't have that attachment on the top. So again, I prefer these because you can put it under a desk and you can work, or you can just honestly use it anywhere in the house while you're doing something else, watching TV, whatever you like. I like setting it up here. My TV is right here. Pretty awesome. Let's plug it in and I'm gonna show you how it works. A few things here, of course, the wheels, as I showed you earlier, because that's how you transport it, right? It also has NFC and it comes with an app that you can use. I will show you guys later. And of course, this is your on-off switch and your plug for your outlet. Okay, everybody, here is the rundown of this incredible treadmill, okay? So first of all, it is a walking pad. So it goes all the way to speed 3.8, which is a very fast walk. And then you can lower it all the way to 0, of course. You control it via this remote control that is connected through Wi-Fi on your phone. And it's cool because you can play games as you walk. You're literally like passing people. It increases your speed, and as fast as you go, then of course you get like bonuses and things like that. Really fun, super cool, all through the PitPat app. So make sure you check it out and download it as you're starting to work on this. Selfie mode to talk about a couple of things regarding the treadmill. The screen is super simplistic. You only have a few things, and you have Wi-Fi, you have your Bluetooth connection, then you have speed, time, distance, and calories. That is your whole display. And again, all of this is controlled via the remote. You can also access a lot of this information via the app on the phone. But I love it because it doesn't require much, right? All that you're doing with this walking pad, more so than a treadmill, is really just have something that will keep you moving. If you're looking to maintain those steps, right? The recommended is 8 to 10K steps every day. And maybe it's cold outside, especially in the winter, or you don't feel like going out, you can set up this walking pad as you're watching TV. I'm telling you, you can set it up under your desk, in your bedroom, anywhere you like, and you can get your workout done. So again, simple walking pad, that's all. It folds, you put it away, no problem, and that's it. Let me show you how to put it away, and we'll finish this review. Okay, when you put it away, you're going to unplug it first, of course. So you turn it off, unplug. You carefully grab from the bottom, okay? And you can see it already folding, right? So all you do is just fold with the motion all the way down. That's that. This is your latch so that this stays in place. You can actually put your remote control in here, for example, and store it, okay? And then close it. that's it. You lift it up, put it under wherever you like. Do you love it? I love it too. I hope you check it out. Does it. If you guys are looking for an amazing gift this holiday season or for anything, birthdays, whatever you want, check out my friends at DearRun and get yourself a folding luggage-style walking pad that anyone can use and store anywhere and get to their fitness goals. As always, if you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can also follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots and little videos that you've never seen before. Also check me out at Carla's Life channel and at Carla Raids for 2 other channels in case you haven't had enough of me. I will see you guys soon in another one. Check out my friends at DearRun.